Good morning, everybody. We are here, 72 degrees and cloudy today. Nonetheless, it's okay. A little cold inside, a little cold outside today. I don't know. The clouds do something to you. You got to see the sunshine. But there is a little baby bunny in my backyard. I love it. All right, let's see what we got going on. We got Nick F first in the chat today. What's going on, Nick F? We've got, scroll up. Let's get started. Oh, yes, Dark Matter, John J, Alex, Chris, Kalani, Dark Matter, Frank, CD Witt, John J, Lucky's Thoughts, Roulette, Certisec Roy, Dark Matter, Caesar, Remy, and Kalani. Good morning to all you guys. Market is looking surprisingly good today. Surprisingly good. Let's go check it out right now. We've got AMC sitting at break even at the moment, $14 per share. Shiba Inu coin, 0.69% lower at the moment, trading sideways all morning. GameStop up 2.5%. The market, look at the QQQ, 2.75% higher right now. This does not look like a market that is expecting the Federal Reserve to announce an interest rate increase today. This looks like a market that is expecting the Federal Reserve to announce an interest rate cut today. Very strange to me, guys. Very strange to me. Nonetheless, NASDAQ up 2.61%, GameStop 2.5%, Bureau Therapeutics 0.5% lower, AMC 0.25% lower, Ethereum sitting at $14.91, it is up. Shiba Inu coin 10.79, slightly down. Bitcoin 21.5, it is up. Sundial back down 3.5% today, was up this morning a little bit and dropping heavy at the open there. Sundial down 3.5 to $2.20. Mullen Auto down another 2% to 84.8 cents. CEI sitting at 0.21% lower. The SPY 1.5% higher. My goodness. BBIG 81. BBIG, listen, BBIG and Kryptide are having a wild day today, man. BBIG was up big earlier to 94 cents. I know that's low compared to where it's been, right? But still, nonetheless, 76 cents to 94 cents. Very large increase, but back down to 81 cents right now. BBIG hitting some wild swings. Highcroft Mining, 95 cents. Netflix sitting at 220 at the moment. Redbox, $5.40. Clovis, $1.70. Box, $1.80. $1.87. Revlon sitting at $4.82. Lunk sitting 2.5% higher, 9.44%. And the QQQ 2.73% higher, 302.40 right now. My goodness. Listen. I might play some puts this afternoon. on the QQQ. I don't know. I can't fathom how this is good news. I just can't fathom how it is good news to see a 0.75% increase in interest rates. So we'll see how that goes. But I am leaning a little bearish for when Jerome Powell takes the microphone, 2 p.m. Eastern Time and 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to see how that goes. Well. It's really confirmed that Review is really a dork. Oh, no. What's he doing, man? Day trading AMC? Is that what's going on out there? It's time for your suffering. No, Vecna, no. He, Ohio. What's going on, Sam Demand number 2? Clay, bro, where are you? I'm right here, man. Bought some dips yesterday. Love my chips. I can imagine Clay right now singing La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika. We're putting his hair stuff. No, dude, the hair stuff goes in hours ago. Come on now. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. This is for yesterday. Always late to the chat, late to Shiba, late to AMC, so beat this one. We'll challenge everyone until we are all broken. Oh, gosh. Chris never backs down. Chris, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And that's for yesterday. Thank you very much. Yesterday was a wild day, man. Yesterday was absolutely wild. If you were going to do it for Coinbase, would you buy calls or puts? Been hearing a lot on both sides. Interesting. What's up, bro? Hemi Life, what's going on, man? If I were going to buy calls or puts on Coinbase, especially for their earnings report coming up. All right, let me... So it's a tough question. So let's look at Coinbase really quick. And I'm leaning bearish. Okay, but we'll talk about why people might be looking at buying some calls for Coinbase as well. So if you're looking at the daily graph on Coinbase right here, it is at or nearing a major level of support. So for the last, almost 3 months now, it has been unable to break down through this basically $50 per share line. Tested it here, bounced off nicely. 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 Tested it here, could be bouncing off nicely. That would lend you to believe that a nice bounce would lead calls to gain. However, I highly doubt that they're going to have a good earnings report. I highly doubt that they have a good earnings report, man. I mean, nothing has improved in the crypto sector. So a good or a bad earnings report could absolutely drop you down below that line right there. And if you break this technical level of support on a fundamental, I guess, bad news, I mean, you could absolutely see further declines and major gains on puts. So I would lean bearish, but I'm sure that's why some people are leaning bullish there. Dan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Russia is going to cut Europe from its gas supplies in full just before it hits winter. Once it finds other buyers, it won't need Europe anymore. But doing this is an act of war on NATO. Nuclear war is usually not good for the markets. Dan, thank you very much for the super chat there, man. Absolutely appreciate that. And I have not, I'll say this, I have not been following the Russia gas situation or war with Ukraine very closely, just various reasons. But I have seen something talking about, I did see a couple headlines, I believe yesterday, talking about Europe no longer relying on Russia for gas and things like that. Look, dude, at this point, yeah, Russia can find buyers, okay? And Europe can find additional suppliers if they're willing to pay potentially more than what they were paying for Russia. But you are absolutely right, dude. Whether we have, an active war against NATO, which is strange to me, at this point of the game, dude, I don't think that Russia really cares about NATO, and I don't think that Russia really cares about any economic relationships that it has, considering that it's been basically sanctioned by all major parties across the globe. Russia's kind of a Sigma out there doing its own thing right now. So, very interesting to see how that's going to develop out, but I would guarantee you are 100% correct, man. A nuclear war, even if it was dropped in a remote desert somewhere out in Siberia, I know Siberia doesn't have deserts, but it does have wastelands. It would not be a good thing. It would not be a good thing. So I don't want to see it play out that way. I don't think anybody wants to see it play out that way, but that would lead to absolute devastation for the markets, man. Yes, and he's day trading AMC. It's just the arrogance that I can't stand. He can do whatever he chooses. Yes, man. Well, look. He can always do whatever he chooses, right? That Ricky Gutierrez dude, he likes to day trade or liked to day trade AMC, to say the least. I don't know if he does anymore. I haven't seen his stuff in a while. But you're right. You can trade whatever you want to trade. You can buy and sell whatever you want to buy and sell and all of that stuff. But you can't necessarily advocate for a squeeze and at the same time day trade. You got to draw the line somewhere on what's acceptable and what's not acceptable. So, like, if you're done with the idea of a squeeze, okay, well, go the day trade route, man. At that point, sure, you can do whatever you want, like Crypto Racketeers or When 1 Cent here says. But you can't have the cake and eat it too. So you can't necessarily say, well, I'm going to help trigger a squeeze, or this is what we need to see in order for the squeeze to take place, but we're going to create volume. And we're going to create a buying and selling opportunity and get people to no longer hold AMC. That part, that part doesn't sit right with me. Everybody thinks Coinbase will close at 59.73 today. So here's my thing. If today continues on, sure, I could see 59 today. If everything's good. But I really don't think Jerome Powell is going to be nice today. I really don't think that Jerome Powell. I would be shocked if Jerome Powell comes out with solid news and solid future expectations. It would blow my mind, man. What is he looking at? What would Jerome Powell be looking at if he comes out with good news and great future projections today? He's obviously looking at something different than I am. And I will admit, I am not chairman of the United States Federal Reserve. So he's much more highly qualified than I am. But nonetheless, we could still look at the same thing. And I don't think that he's looking at the same thing that I am. So I will be flabbergasted if Jerome Powell comes out with good news today. I will not be shocked if an interest rate hike or Jerome Powell's press conference causes the QQQ to close in the red today. That's how deep of a decline I think we could expect from Jerome Powell giving us some bad news. And as the afternoon rolls on here, if we sit up here and we end the live stream and it's still sitting in 302s, I may enter some puts leading into his talk there just to take a little gamble and see what happens. But I can't imagine the guy's going to have good news. Do whatever, you better dump whatever Pelosi is into. Yes, do that. Russia is half tundra and has half the population of the United States. Yeah, but Russia's huge, though. Wait, so YouTubers are using us? Well, here, Vecna, I get it, right? I get that. But, at the same time, I don't want anybody to think that, I'm using you or anything like that. Clearly, I love hanging out with you guys on a daily basis and stuff. But, no, man, you're always going to have that, though. You're always going to have some people wanting to use you in order to gain. On the other hand, here's my look at that. Just click the like button, Vecna. Just click the like button. I want to use you as a test to see if YouTube rewards the like button being clicked. Let's put it that way. I want to use you as an experiment to see if YouTube actually respects the like button being clicked. So do so now, otherwise I'm going to hit you guys with an ad in about 10 minutes. So make sure to click that like button. I will use you for likes. He has a lot of followers and views too, which is pretty bad for AMC. He does have a lot of followers. I think a lot of his followers came from actual reviews, though, as opposed to AMC stuff. But yeah, nonetheless, man, I mean, clearly, anybody that's telling you to sell it, you can make money selling it, right? You can make money. You can maximize your... The thing is, though, if you need to do that, that's why I say go the options route. Selling options and buying options doesn't necessarily hurt the squeeze opportunity. Sam number 3 is the real deal. Nice. No use, please. Thank you. Gotcha, Sam. You see the video of a Biden. The market's reacting to that. I don't know if I've seen it, Caesar, or not. I don't think I saw anything today. Stop using me. AMC Trapper, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't want to use anybody, but I will use you to click the like button. If I could reach out and grab every single one of your fingers right now and just tap that like button, I would do it. Why so many Sams? It's the new Sam's Club, dude. It's the new Sam's Club. That's what we got going on in here. I got XP for hitting the like. That actually would be cool. That would be cool. Chevy Silver Raider actually has a good idea there. I wish I had some insider at YouTube that I could tell these things to. Not only leveling up and hitting these membership levels and stuff like that, but if you reward YouTubers or creators or whatever, you could actually level yourself up too by clicking the like button, by leaving a comment. Encourage that, what do you call it? Encourage that engagement, man. Come on, YouTube. Get smart. Get smart. Level these people up. What are you doing, man? Dude, you just had a brilliant idea. Leveling up. Chevy Silver Raider, leveling up by hitting the like button. Maybe you get 1 XP for hitting the like button. You get 10 XP for leaving a comment. Oh, man, dude. I wonder if I can email YouTube somehow and get them to look at that. It's not a bad idea to encourage engagement. Some people use you. Some people abuse you. Well, dude, I would actually, if you don't click the like button, I might click pretty hard. So that could, I guess, be viewed as abuse somehow. Ruler also has an ally called China. China's a big one, isn't it? China's a big one. Where we at? If Russia, China, and the Taliban hook up, we're screwed. I hope all 3 of those don't hook up. I got what now? All my what? And every what? Oh my God, Vecna. Don't sing songs like that. I mean, someone swipes for him. Something. Clay, you said membership. It reminded me of the Discord. Not trying to be late to that party. So when... So listen, the Discord is, I have the Discord built, a single channel here. I don't have, no. Can you guys see? No. Why does it not pull that one up? Okay, no. Window capture. Yes. Add source. Chrome. Yeah. Get that off there though. Can I adjust that? No. Oh. So you might be able to see it. Yeah. Okay. So look, I do have the Discord right here. I got the Discord right here. But I don't know how. So look, as you guys can see, it's pretty lame, right? I only got these two channels over here so far, and that's all good. That's all fine and good. But we can add more of those later and do all of that stuff. But I still, like, invite your friends. Is that what you do? Vigilante is my only friend on Discord, apparently. I don't know how to... I don't know how to send the invite out, is what I'm trying to say. So as soon as I figure all that stuff out, yes, the Discord has been made. It is lame. It is there. And it will need some work over time. But if you guys want to be some of the first movers, I mean, I just got to figure out how to get everybody to join it. The point being, you can't retake over countries without their consent, whether they were owned by anyone. Well, technically, you can. That's called conquering. I know we're kind of out of the conquering game, but it's not nice to do. You definitely do it, though. Luke, I am your father. No ignore, guys. WTF. Yeah, nobody's ignoring anybody. Come on now. Don't do it. Don't ignore anybody. YouTube Metaverse sounds nice. YouTube Metaverse does sound very nice. So let's get friends on Discord. STSY. Yeah, we need Discord. Pin the link to the chat. What link, though? And it's just a general... Like, there's literally no channels or anything set up in it. Just the up top link? Do you just mean this right here? I think I want to be the next level. Boost progress bar shows member how many boosts your server needs to reach the next level. Got it. Add an image to your invite. Ooh, guys, if we get boosts, we can add images to the invite. Got it. Better behave, bots. Oh my god, guys, come on. Add a server? No, don't need to do that. Just this one? Getting called to buy a call on GoPro. We'll check out GoPro in a second here. Show them how to do it, Trap. Yeah, show me how to do it. You guys pay this doofus almost $1,000. Let's do it, Pudgy. All right, so let's see here. Is this the link you're talking about? Let's see. Is that the link you're talking about? Ooh, you guys are actually doing pretty well on likes today. 47 likes. You guys probably aren't even going to get hit with an ad. 4 more minutes. You guys only need a couple more likes. Is that the link? Maybe. If that's the link, we'll find out if that's the link. First, click the link. Outdoor smile. I don't know if it's the right link or not, guys. I don't know if it's the right link or not. Like, I don't even know if you have to be approved to join. Hit the like button. Yes, hit the like button or Vecna probably will time you out, man. Good morning, Clay. I would like to know your thoughts about value of Link before the end of the year. So, Ike, man. My thoughts on the value of Link before the end of the year is really going to depend on a lot of stuff right now. If everything starts to rebound, let's do best case and worst case scenario, man. And just know that it's going to fall somewhere in between there. Best case scenario, okay? We end up going in a bull run on cryptocurrency, and somehow Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, all of these things start to hit their all-time highs once more. And we're sitting back at the valuations that we were last year. I believe that's best case scenario, but I also believe that that's very hard to see happen in the next 5 months. If we get there, I believe that Lunk can be somewhere at or slightly below a penny. Now, I know that that's a stretch to see that happen, but I'm going to tell you that it's a stretch to see any of these coins hitting their all-time highs once again by the end of the year. Worst case scenario, the bear market continues. Coinbase goes bankrupt. We've got a lot of problems, and we continue to move lower. And I would expect Terra Luna Classic could, see another 50 to 90% decline, especially if Coinbase goes under and crypto kind of dies out for a while. Didn't let me sign in. Clay, have you tried Webull Wallet? Got my beta test wallet. So, Lucky's thoughts. I have mine, but I have not tried to send any Bitcoin Cash, and maybe Litecoin are the only 3 that you can use. So it didn't let you sign in. I don't know. See, that's what I'm saying, man. I don't know. I really don't know. I've never used Discord before. Is that the correct link that I would have sent you guys? Or send a server invite link to a friend. Try this one. If you want to try it, try this one. That one might work. And I gotta say, unless you guys unclick the like button, this is the first time in a very long time that you're not getting served with an ad at 12:15 because you actually hit 50 likes by 12:15. So thank you guys very much for clicking that like button. Really appreciate that. Yes. So apparently that link worked. We've got AMC Trapper, King James, Night Hops. Oh yeah, King James, I'm here, bro. I like it. What is this? Night Ops. All right, AMC Trapper, it worked. Boom, baby. We got the Discord going right now. I like it. 6 people. Outdoor Smiles there. Perfect. John J jumping in. Very nice, guys. Apparently that's the link. So I'm going to do that one more time and pin it with join the Discord if you guys want to join the Discord. And then I'll pin it up to the top. So let's see that there. And then we can worry about setting all this stuff up later. Okay. Cool. All right, good deal, guys. Thank you for doing that. Matt Y, what's going up, Maddie? How you doing? Outdoor Smile, John J, Mudslinger, 569 Texas. Thank you guys for joining. That is awesome, sweet. Apparently that link worked. Really, really appreciate it. All right, let's go. Sentiments from Ukraine. What do you think about your fellow countrymen being slaughtered? Oh, nobody likes anybody being slaughtered, man. That absolutely sucks. I got to change my name to Dark Matter 521 in there. It shows as Night Ops right now. Dark Matter 521. Do whatever you got to do, man. Appreciate all you guys clicking that button. STSY at 666 is in there. Very good, guys. Let's see. Thank you. And AMC Trap, all you guys that are, jumping in. I had no idea how to share that link or anything. So really appreciate you guys jumping in there, and we can set up some other channels. If any of you guys got ideas on different channels that you want to see, different stuff like that, please let me know. Let's see here. So if I edit this channel, though, age restricted, permissions. Let's see here. Text channels, yes. Advanced permission. Manage permissions, yeah. Create invite, sure. Send messages, messaging thread, create public threads, create private threads. Embed links. I don't want you guys to be able to put any links in there just yet. Okay? We'll worry about that later. Let's see. All right, so I just don't want any links or anything going in there just yet, just so you guys don't try to do anything weird in there. All right, and then we can figure all that stuff out later. So looks good as of right now. We'll figure out all the details afterwards. But thank you guys very much for jumping in there already and making that happen. So let's go back over to not the overview. Just get out of that. Awesome, man. Awesome. And I have no idea what these things are. Little wave. We get DM Dave and Frosty with some weird dude. Frodo's here. Nice, Frodo. I don't even know who this Scream dude is. All right, we're going to have to learn Discord, man, because this is wild. Tired of getting the same question skipped? If you take 5 comments for not leaving a full sentence, you're getting timed out. Yes, Chris, also, we're looking at GoPro right now. Chris wanted to look at GoPro. Man, I'm telling you, 3% on the QQQ today is wild to me. It's wild to me. So let's look at GoPro here. GoPro 605, looking at calls. Interesting. Okay. So it's been coming down since the beginning of 2021, kind of like, or 2020, like everything. 2021, really. GoPro's been getting hit that was 2021. More than a year now. So buying calls on GoPro at this point, I would not buy any short-term calls on GoPro. I do not know when their earnings are, but bouncing off $5.25 could lead to some upside, but you are at this little level of resistance right here, and even if it gains a little bit, you've got resistance right here. The overwhelming trend for the last, year and a half, year and 3 months at this point, has been down, and barring any sort of major advancement in GoPro, I would expect that you're going to see more downside. If you look here, man, earnings hit pretty hard in this area. Earnings hit very hard in this area. Earnings actually did well here. So earnings report resulted in a nice gain, going from $8 to $11. I imagine we're going to see earnings here pretty soon once again. And I guess the guy or some person that's telling you to buy calls on GoPro would be expecting a positive earnings report. If you do get a positive earnings report, I could absolutely see that as a catalyst to take GoPro even higher. But remember, the overwhelming trend for the last year and 3 months has been to the downside. So if you're playing some calls, I would simply play the earnings report. I wouldn't necessarily worry about buying calls for the long term and hoping that it goes higher, facing this massive downtrend that it's been in. But nonetheless, dude, if it does have a good earnings report, you could absolutely make some money on some GoPro calls there. All right, what do we got? Go Shib, I found my flippy flapper dabby wiggler miggly thingy. Happy times. Yes, John J, whatever that means. Hey, bro, is Discord for girls too? Too much men and girls don't come. Yes, Discord's for everybody, Sam. Getting hit with a peanut butter jelly baseball bat. Sounds like something I'm interested in. Let's get started. Nasdaq hitting the shorts in the yes, yes it is. The Vecna, the Nasdaq is soaring. I'm not gonna be surprised though if the Nasdaq starts to turn when Jerome Powell talks. This I can't imagine. Okay, this 3% gain day that we're seeing right now. I mean, if Jerome Powell comes out here and gives us solid news, do we really expect a 5 to 6% green day on the NASDAQ today, bringing us back up to this high that we were recently at? I mean, you're talking another 2% here. Do we really expect a 5 to 6% gain on the NASDAQ today? I guess it's possible, but a 6% gain on the NASDAQ facing a 75 basis point interest rate hike? An inflation that's still not under control? That's the confusing part to me. Let's see where these calls are, or where these puts are and calls are on the NASDAQ right now, because they got to be moving, man. They've got to be moving. So we've got, let's see here, the 300s are at $1.20 at the moment, down 77% right now. Man, this is pretty interesting. I wish I could see some of these other ones, but the calls got to be doing phenomenal. Yes, the calls are up 300% today. These bad boys, the 305s are at 380% higher, man. A 5x gain just from yesterday on the calls on a 3% increase. So NASDAQ definitely moving, and I would expect it to move very, very drastically during the afternoon session. Michael! Fist, bump, fist, bump. Fist, bump. Michael, man, thank you for the fist bump. Michael, did you join the Discord? We already got... Shoot, man, we got 9 online and we've got 8 offline, guys. You guys are killing it. Mr. Simon's in the Discord. Caesar's in the Discord. We got Dark Matter, DM Dave, Frosty Something, J Bones, John J, King James, Outdoor Smile, AMC Trappers in the Discord. John Zoid, Lucky One, Maddie, Matt Y, Mudslinger, Pudgy, STSY. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you very much for joining the Discord there. We can have some fun with that and build that up a little bit later. Chris, forget GoPro. Getting told by the same person trying to convince me AMC will never squeeze and I need to get out. Haven't laughed so hard in my life. Oh, gosh. So, Chris, let me say this just so I don't tear your friend down or anything. You know, there's always the possibility that AMC doesn't squeeze, right? If everybody gives up. I personally would have thought that would have happened a long time ago if it were going to happen. And I truly think at this point, man, like everybody involved in the AMC squeeze is kind of like, it's not necessarily a cult type mentality, but it's almost a lifestyle at this point. Maybe not buying more shares for the rest of your life or something, but dude, we're 2 years, we're a year and a half, almost 2 years in now. And I do think that it's like a lifestyle. It's a part of your life at this moment. And people have they've lost some money, yes, if they bought in at the higher prices there, but it's like that phase, man. It's that phase, and we can't get rid of it. So if anybody were to just give up and go, you know, we might see people fall off and throw in the towel every once in a while. But, dude, if that were to happen, if it were to be a movement that was to come and go, I think we would have seen that already. Let's forget yesterday's live. We heard bad news is good news, and good news is bad news. Yes, Lucky's thoughts. We did. And sometimes bad news is bad news until it's viewed as good. It's strange, dude. It's strange. None of this stuff ever makes sense when you've got people that are not investing logically. They invest emotionally, man, and that's what we're seeing. I'm DM Dave in the DM Dave, the Frosty Rhymer. Nice, Frodo. Okay, so you're DM Dave, the Frosty Rhymer. I like it. Torchia, we got Torchia. Vecna's in here. Nice. Patrick Profits. Appreciate all you guys for being in there, man. Any new ones? Love a T-Rex. Love a T-Rex is in the Discord now. Thank you guys very much for joining that. I think that's awesome. Drop in to hit the like button and say hello. Have a great day and see you this afternoon. Mark L, man, thank you for being in here. Really appreciate the like button as well. Do you think it can crash? The crypto, I mean. Yes. Dr. Magna, I absolutely do. We might need a catalyst to see it just crash. I believe Coinbase, not even necessarily going bankrupt, but posting some, oh my gosh, like not negative, but deep declines in net profit and stuff like that. I do think that could result in some major trouble for cryptocurrency. All right, let's see here. Outdoor Smile. I don't even know what this Outdoor Smile dude is posting in here. Outdoor Smile, don't post anything you shouldn't be posting in the Discord. I thought there was no links. I don't even know. Yeah, I thought there was no links, man. I thought there was no links. Yeah, deleting that one. I don't even know how he's posting links. I said no links in there. Permission. Yeah. Embed links. No links. Yeah, we'll figure those out later. Either way, guys. Now that you get Discord, when OnlyFans, that must be the next thing, Simoninho. Emma, do you have Discord? Emma, yeah, join the Discord if you got one. Now you want to play on Discord? Yes, Emma, let's play everywhere. I will hack your green screen too. Outdoor Smile, don't do it, man. Don't do it. Got my question answered. Time to join the Discord. Chris, man, nice. Humans buy and sell through emotion. I sold my Abe at 550 because I was scared. It's 585. Luckily, I rebought at 569. Caesar, that is absolutely right, man. Absolutely right. All right, man. Let's see. I don't know how you guys are posting these GIFs. Isn't that a link? I know for a fact that links are blocked. Okay, yeah. Permission, yeah. Okay. Somebody test it now. Oh, GIFs are not links. What are GIFs? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think it's good. We'll find out, man. I don't know if it's good or not. I guess we'll see here soon. Either way, Chris, man, what's going on? Thanks for joining the Discord. We're good to go. Chips or not videos, yes. What time in the UK is the Fed meeting? Time in the UK, I believe. John James, man, I think you guys are 5 hours ahead. Is it 4:30 or 5:30 there? I'll just say it this way. Fed meeting's in 2 hours, man. Fed meeting's in 2 hours. 1.5 hours is the interest rate decision. 2 hours is the press conference. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Could Shib do a 2.1% burn like Luna once? Michael, no. So here's the difference in that. The contract for Shiba Inu coin has been revoked. Nothing can be changed with the Shiba Inu coin contract there. Therefore, we cannot add any burn taxes to Shiba Inu coin. Now, this is where Shibarium comes into play. Shibarium, yes, they can add whatever type of tax they want on Shibarium. So let's say you trade Shiba Inu coin. Let's say you trade Ethereum. Let's say you trade, I don't know, Bro coin, whatever you want on Shibarium. You can see the tax there. And that's a Shibarium tax, not necessarily a Shiba Inu coin tax. That's the difference. Found the GIFs. I forgot that those haven't used Discord in almost a year. Gotcha. Dark matter. So all right, GIFs are good. GIFs apparently don't show up on my computer. Pudgy for mod. No ignore, man. Pudgy for mod. No ignore. You know what? We could do a little sweep of some mods here. Yes, we could do a little sweep of some mods because Pudgy is in here every single day. And we might be able to take somebody off that has not been in here in a while and add Pudgy in the Discord. Well, join because I'm right here now instead. Nice, Chris. Thank you for joining the Discord as well, man. 107 in here and 70 likes. Not bad, people. JB, I'm telling you, it's not bad, man. It's not bad at all. Yeah, GIFs don't work on the computer. But, I mean, I guess GIFs are fine, right? GIFs gotta be fine. Let's see here. 107 likes and 107 people and 70 likes. You guys are absolutely killing it today. Really appreciate that. 72. I don't even know I'm going to hit you guys with an ad today since you guys are liking it so well. Lauren, rip mod. Shoot, Lauren's perma-modded, man. Lauren's perma-mod. Pancakes in the chat. What is going on, Pancakes? Glad to have you in here. Meme coins start trading sideways when people don't see utility. It's a fad. That being said, fads always make a comeback. Caesar, I love it, dude. Yes, they do. We're talking about peanut butter. We could be talking about peanut butter if you want to talk about peanut butter. Got only 70 likes. Get behind you, man. Clay to 100. Ooh, John James. Let's go 100 likes, man. J Bones, mod 2022. J Bones is saying, pick me, pick me, pick me. Oh, I could use some pancakes. Trap, freaking starving, man. Me too, man. Me too. I did not eat breakfast today, so I am hungry. Wait, do you know why Kryptide is running today? Robert, actually, I do not, okay? So I don't have any Kryptide. My dad was telling me that Kryptide was up today. I don't know what it's up right now, but it was up 70% earlier when I was looking at it. So 43% now. It is coming back down a little bit from where it was earlier. Tapped $1.78 earlier, sitting at $1.26 right now. He didn't have it, like when I was talking to him about it, he didn't have a specific reason as to why it was running. But apparently the CEO had some good forward-looking guidance or something like that. You know, that's the best I got for you. I haven't seen a reason as to why Kryptide is running, but even BBIG was doing very well earlier, sitting up at 94 cents, and has since dropped back down to 84 cents, bouncing off that 80-cent low that it hit right there. So BBIG and Kryptide are both performing very well today. But as for reasonings, man, maybe somebody in the chat has a reason that I haven't seen, but unfortunately I don't. Don't forget, you may need mods for your Discord as it grows. Oh yeah, Mustang. I'm sure I will, man. I'm sure I will. I got to figure out. We got to get some other channels in here. So honestly, guys, and let me tell you, you know, I really am just figuring out how to use this. So don't expect me to be super knowledgeable on any of this stuff. But if you guys want to give me some suggestions on different text channels, different voice channels, anything like that, man, give me some of those suggestions either in the Discord or here on YouTube as well. And we could set up some different rooms and things like that and make sure that it all looks good there. But yeah, just know that I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with that yet. So we'll figure it out together. I love that No Ignore actually picked up, and everyone says it now. Please, no ignore. Yes, nobody needs to be ignored. Chris, it's already a classic. Yes, it is, man. Classics happen fast in here. I'll show you how to mod. Every bro is gonna learn today. Lucky's thoughts. Nice, man. Nick F for first Discord. Nick, dude, if Nick F, listen, I'll say this. I'm actually surprised that Nick F has a Google account, okay? I would be very surprised if Nick F made a Discord, but I would be willing to bet that he does not have a Discord. I'm very surprised that he actually has a Google account that he can come in here and discuss on YouTube with. So I don't know if Nick F will be in the Discord or not, but that would be a pretty good way for you guys to get a hold of him. Why do I have a feeling? Go to moon. John James, we're going to make it to the moon, man. I can't quit. I still can't quit laughing that he was banned from Tinder. I have no idea. Me? Who was banned from Tinder? I didn't see. I vote Pudgy for Madi is always here and first. No, yes. Pudgy is always here, and Pudgy is actually here first a lot of the times, too. Clay, ridiculous question. It's not ridiculous. I'm going to Jamaica next week. If AMC squeezes while I'm in Jamaica, how many blunts can I buy with 2,000 shares? Let me tell you, dude, probably a lot, Ross. Probably a lot. So I don't know if it's your first time in Jamaica, but you're going to have dudes walking up and down the beach all day long. And when willing to help you out a lot for a single share of AMC. So yes, you could probably do very, very poorly. I'm not going to say very well, very poorly with 2,000 shares of AMC squeezing while you're in Jamaica, man. I don't know if you'll make it back. Just make sure you wash your hands and wash your clothes on the way back into the country, dude. You don't get stopped by customs because you got trace evidence of things in places that it shouldn't be. Yo, Devil's Advocate, what's going on, man? Scammers something. Pudgy mentioned how creepy you have to be to get banned on Tinder. Even spammers don't get banned there. Even scammers and spammers don't get banned there. Yes, don't do Nick like that. I would never do Nick like that. But I really don't think Nick's got a Discord. Now Discord, when Lambo. Same time as the moon, man. Soon moon, soon Lambo, Michael. Heck yeah, Trapper. He went there, didn't he? Yes. Devil's Advocate. Is that you in the new... Devil's Advocate is in here. Yes. Yo, can I ask an off-topic question? I don't even know if there's an on-topic question in here these days, man. Because I feel like there's some major loopholes in this real estate business we got going on in the world. Starting to think that real is an oxymoron, bro. I think it might be. Is that the question, though? Ask a question, man, for real. The Dark Matter 521, thank you for the super chat. Bro, you unleashed the floodgates with Discord. I did, man. I did. And I like, is it a good thing or a bad thing? I hope it's a good thing, because I don't know what's going on right now, but I do think it's a good thing. Wait, afraid to read something like a devil's lettuce, but straight up reads Jamaican like it's nothing. Yes. Chris, man, well, when it's that obvious, I don't even know what you do about it. When it's that obvious, like, how do you even go about it? So you're telling me you have to pay $9.90 a month on Discord to access the good stickers? I have no idea. Emma, I would not tell you that. I would not pay $9.90 a month for good stickers, but what if I pay $9.99 a month? Do people get good stickers in there then? I don't know how it works. Listen, I just made this Discord. I have no idea how it works. Like, if I can upgrade the server. So it said when I made it earlier that if we get some boosts, if we get 2 boosts, we can already do things that we couldn't do before. I don't know what that means. If somebody wants to tell me what that means, let us know here. Bobby! Bobby, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. I like the fact that Bobby's consistent. He's always got that consistency going on with his favorite super sticker there. We haven't been on topic for a minute. We have not. Outdoor Smile. This is true. Part 1. So the market is hopping right now. No one is surprised by this. So let's say I want to buy a house and I'm fully aware that there's going to be other offers. So I say, listen, Lynn, I'll pay $100,000 over asking price. And they're like, darn, that's dope for sure. I'll take that. Then we all do inspections and whatnot. A few weeks go by. It's off the market a week. It's off the market. And a week before closing, we do, I'm going to assume, not want the house. Is that the question there? I'm going to assume that's the question. I think they're... We do the appraisal, and surprise, it comes back in 100,000 under what I offered. So now I'm like, well, it appraised low, so I'm changing my bid. The actual value of the house, that's legit. People can do that. So yeah, you can do that. Yeah, you can change your offer at any time you want, man, and you can back out of your offer anytime you want as well. So usually when you are, and I've had a bad experience before too, but usually what happens is you put some earnest money down. And you can also negotiate that earnest money in, as little as $1,000. If you want to make it $1,000, I mean, dude, you could do 500, but at least put $1,000 down, right? You can honestly put no money down if you want. Some people want 10% down. It's negotiate that the same way you would the price of the house. So what would happen is, if you honestly just wanted to walk away because you don't like the way the yard smells or something, what essentially would happen at that point is you would walk away and lose your deposit. You would lose that earnest money deposit, because what it basically says is that you are going to fulfill your obligations as a buyer to the best of your ability. Now, relying on the appraisal, yes, that is clearly something that if the buyer sees you offer $100,000 more than what they're asking for it, they might want to know, well, is this going to be your cash that you're offering in addition to that? They might want to know about those things. But nonetheless, man, the appraisal is something that you can rely on. The inspections are something that you can rely on as a buyer. And worst case scenario, the appraisal comes back and the buyer or the seller is like, no, dude, we're keeping your earnest money. I've had it happen before. And I mean, you could do everything right as the seller, and the court will still try to give the buyer their earnest money back if they want it back. So, yeah, dude, you'd be fine in that situation. You might just lose your earnest money. But with that being said, I'm not a real estate agent. I've just bought and sold a few houses. Pancakes, on the other hand, is a real estate agent, or realtor. She might be able to help you a little bit more than some of the other people in here, but that's been my experience. You just, be careful. Don't put like $50,000 down in earnest money, especially if you plan on relying on appraisals and things like that. So why not bid outlandishly high to get them to remove the house from the market, assuming like normal people they are moving and need to sell to get the house and then screw them over in the last minute? Yeah, you could, devil's advocate, you could. I still don't know if it's necessarily a screw over though, because you're still giving them what they wanted for it, right? And we're assuming that the appraisal is going to come in slightly above. Here's the thing that I've noticed too. I think a bank, and if you guys work for a bank, let me know. But I think the guy at the bank, dude, I think he's just gonna come in and appraise it at whatever the price is. Like I really don't think these people actually know too much about real estate or care too much. I think they just come in and make sure that they can get the loan processed, and then they move on. Home doesn't require down payment. Yeah, that is true, Pudgy. That is true. But the appraisals are so subjective. They usually find some way to come in right around exactly. JB, that's what I was saying right there, man. I think the guys working at the bank just want to make the loan happen, and they come in there, they appraise it, and you're good to go right afterwards. Offer $100,000 more, you're good to go. This hypothetical situation has to do with my buyers being turds and trying to milk me for money, and not myself being a bad buyer. Yeah, devil's advocate. So here's the thing, dude. Screw them. If you want to screw them, like, just say no. Just say no. So I don't think that it's not a buyer's market right now. It's a seller's market, dude. Did they make the announcement today already? Oh, whatever meeting was good. No, so Miguel Ortiz, 2 p.m. Eastern time, and then 2:30 p.m. Eastern time is when we've got the interest rate decision and the Federal Reserve announcement. Clay, what with Coinbase and SEC? Anything new? And if this, how would I go about getting the crypto I like and want and keep it without the Voyager effect? Also, did you think FTX offer was bad? So Bronson, a lot of questions in that. Let me try to answer them quickly. No, nothing new on the SEC and Coinbase yet. SEC probing Coinbase for 9 different coins that they consider securities. So it does seem like they're going to be wrapped up in litigation for quite some time. Hopefully they settle early and no problems there. But it does seem like it's going to be a Ripple situation. XRP, where we've got the SEC and Coinbase going at it for potentially years and really screwing a lot of crypto investors over. How do you avoid a Voyager effect? Dude, if you're the slightest bit concerned about crypto or about Coinbase blocking withdrawals, deposits, transfers, and so on, get off now. Just move your stuff over to a DeFi or cold storage wallet if you're concerned about the broker. I think it's a legitimate concern. I don't know if it's guaranteed to happen, but I think it's a legitimate concern. And as far as, I think the FTX offer is bad. The FTX offer to basically buy out Voyager customers, I don't think that it's bad, but I do think it's going to depend on how much they're willing to give. If they give 100%, no, dude, I'm gone today. If they give 100% of what I got in Voyager, I'm gone today. If they want to buy you out for like 40, 20, 50% of what you've got in there, hoping to recover more than that when Voyager does end its bankruptcy proceedings, I don't know if it's necessarily bad, but it's going to be an individual decision to determine whether or not you should get off that platform, cut your loss, and wait it out. I mean, is 40% now worth 100% or 80% or 70% 3 years from now? It might be. It might be. Let's see. It's a screw over because in today's market, people are strategically asking low because everyone's offering high and quick, and it could bid high to overdo them and then come back in low to get it. Yeah, dude, that's the thing, man. I don't like any shady buyers like that. Tokens, I should say. Coins are securities, right? So coins aren't necessarily securities. It all depends on how the coin was issued and how the money is going to be, like how the coin's going to appreciate in value. So if there's an ICO, meaning I make a coin, I sell it, and I raise a ton of money for myself, it does kind of scream security, right? But what the SEC is actually looking at, and I can do that with a coin. I can make my own coin and still do that with an ICO. I can do it with a token as well. But what the SEC is apparently looking at is whether or not you are investing money in something and in that investment that the entity receives. So if I receive that money and I am building a business with it, if you expect to make money on the effort of others, that's considered a security. So if I go in and I buy Brocoin and Claybro is going to make Brocoin double in price by building up some sort of a business, that would be considered a security. If it's simply a coin that can be used in different transactions and nothing is necessarily being built upon it, well, then they're looking at that differently and they're considering that a commodity and a currency. Who do you suggest for crypto? Okay, Dustin, good question there. At this point, I'm not opposed to using any centralized exchange to buy and sell your crypto. I think that's what they're intended for, and I think that's completely fine. If you want to use Coinbase, if you want to use Crypto.com, if you want to use Binance, if you want to use one of these little exchanges to buy crypto and sell it, awesome. If Voyager comes back up, if Voyager starts working again, and they assumingly don't screw everybody over, I would still use Voyager in the sense that you can buy your crypto and then transfer it off exchange. Hold it somewhere else, because what we're seeing are these platforms thinking that the money is theirs and they can do whatever they want with it. So buy it on really whatever exchange you want, and then when it's time to sell, transfer it in. Don't sit there for a month. Transfer it in and sell it at that point, and I think you're going to be much better off. So I think that using exchanges simply for the exchange and not holding is probably the best way to go. Vecna, 10 months, man. Thank you very much for the member chats. Might get an 1,800 square foot home for $319,000. Buenos Aires. Yes, good luck, Vecna. Good luck. Hey, nothing wrong with an 1,800 square foot house for $319,000. That's actually expensive here. That would actually be considered expensive here, dude. So, Vecna, move to Ohio, man. Come be my neighbor. Good morning, Claybro and Clay fam. What's going on, Merlin? How you doing? In regards to Discord, when you share a GIF from your keyboard, it becomes a link, Clay. Gotcha. Okay, Caesar, good to know, because none of those are actually showing up as GIFs for me. They're just simply links for me on the computer here. I can't see any of them. Webull is beta launching their wallet today with 3 coins more to go. Yeah, so I've actually had that for like a month now, man. It's been a while since I've had that wallet out, but yeah, 3 coins. I think it's Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin or something. I think you can use like 3 coins that nobody's really transferring around. Sam number 1, if you're here, thank you for the tips to the girls too. Bye. Sam number 3, nice. I'm happy with Kraken so far. Dude, I saw Kraken. I don't know if it was when I was searching Google articles this morning or if it was on Twitter, but Kraken may be getting in trouble for skirting sanctions with Russia. So I would look into that a little bit if you guys are. I only saw one headline on it. I did not read the article or anything, but I did see that about Kraken today, is that they could potentially get in trouble for skirting sanctions. Nice. Bought my 1,500 square foot, 213,000. Added a room. Y2 cash out, refinance. Upgrade my house some more. Nice, Caesar. Very good, man. Live in Florida. Cash buyers. Busted. Yeah, I think they would be. In fact, no, yes, man. But Florida, nonetheless, a very nice place to be. Definitely not refinancing right now, especially with the rates where they're at right now. Don't do it. It's just sitting and listening. Bobby, glad to have you sitting and listening, man. Clay, way to get notifications for the Discord like we do for YouTube. Chris, I have no idea, man. I honestly don't know how Discord works. So I hope you don't get notifications like every time somebody posts something in there. I imagine you could turn notifications off for Discord, but I really still am learning. Maybe JB or somebody that's some mods on some other channels or something could give me a crash course in Discord during the break or something, but I just want to make sure that it's, safe place and always clicking on any stupid links that they can post in there and scam anybody out of. Also, no, I do think it'll be a good place too, that I can like have a videos channel or a post channel where I can post videos and you guys can, if you don't get a notification on YouTube, you can see it there and stuff, and then a place where you guys can hang out and talk. Like if you just want to listen to voice chats and stuff, you can do that too. But yeah, Chris, as far as like notifications go, man, I honestly have no idea how it works. Vector my stuff ain't for sale, and I get like an offer a day. Outdoor smile. Nice, man. Nice. It's nice. Just tell them you want 3 times the worth of the house, and then I would sell it too. Hey, Clay, first time texter. Do you have any thoughts on BTT coin? No, BitTorrent. I haven't looked at that in a while, right? Is that what we're talking about? BitTorrent. And thank you very much. Typing the first time in the chat. Appreciate you being in here, man. Are you talking, there's so many. Are you talking BitTorrent or Block Trade or Battle Inverse? There's a lot of BTTs. I can look at it here in a second if you tell me which one. But there's 3 BTTs that show up right there. He looks like Paul Walker. Kendall, who? If you're saying me, like that's like the ultimate compliment ever. You can modify your notifications to be whatever you want. The individual user, right? Not me. I can't modify the notifications for everybody. Right, JB? Let me be last. Yes, somebody needs to be last. Another kind of view it on lakefront property. Pudgy, that actually sounds beautiful, man. There are definitely scammers on Discord also, so be careful. Yes, dude. You guys, please do. All right, BitTorrent. Diddy Kane, let's see what we got going on there in BitTorrent. We've got BitTorrent. Is this the one we're talking about right here? Just see if this is the one we're talking about. Going out to Chrome. No, not that one. We don't want the Discord up. I want... Where's it at? Oh, here. Is this what we're talking about? Look, dude, I don't know the project at all. I don't know what they got going on, but nonetheless, man, very dangerous graph here. Seeing that it's been coming down, but knowing that this came out at the beginning of 2022 after cryptocurrency had peaked, this is the same type of graph you're going to be seeing across the board in crypto right now. So the graph doesn't necessarily scare me, but I would like to see, strictly talking technicals, right? I would like to see some gains before you start to enter there. Otherwise, you could absolutely see it continue to come down even further. That's the only thing that like is prohibiting me from entering crypto right now, is that we've been seeing nothing but declines. I live in a dorm room. No ignore. Thank you. Absolutely, Sam the Man. Hello, Clay. Representing the Shiba Army way down here in the tiny island of Key West. Wayne, man. Very nice. Key West is beautiful. Turn your DMs off for every Discord server you are on. Protect yourself from scammers. Yes, that's a good idea as well, guys. Turn your DMs off. We'll put it that way. Don't be DMing anybody if you don't want to get in trouble. You can mute Discord notifications. I'm a mod on Discord channel, so I can help a bit if needed. Mustang Matt, man, thank you. Are you Matt Y in the Discord, or are you somebody else in there? Hood, we listen to the Fed talk here. I'm not going to be actively sitting here listening to it, but I do think that I can play it during the break. So about 2:30, if you guys want to listen to Jerome Powell talk, you can listen to Jerome Powell talk around 2:30 if you want to be able to chat while you guys are listening to it. So yeah, I'll play it, but I don't know if I'll be on screen or anything like that. Hood bro, you can hire people on Fiverr or Upwork cheap to upgrade your Discord. Just be careful they don't take advantage. Okay, DJ Haas MS, man, very good. I have no idea. Like, I have no idea anything about it, so it's definitely something that I could look at. Penny stock sucks, but less than penny stocks are awesome. Nice, man. Outdoor Smile going 0.001. House closest to you, Clay, is priced at $350,000. Big house, but not close enough to be your neighbor. Well, Mr. Simon, it's not bad, right? I don't know how big it is. Not close enough to be my neighbor. Darn, it's because my neighbor's house is actually not for sale right now. Thank you so much. Last one. Any thoughts on Cult token? I don't know what the technicals on Cult look like, but I actually have seen a lot of stuff on Twitter about Cult, man. People don't talk too much that I see about BitTorrent, but nonetheless, man, Cult, very similar price action to everything else you see in the crypto market right now. Running up in 2022 here. And maybe this is when we started to see a ton of that action. A lot of people were talking about Cult DAO for a while. I have not seen as much lately, but nonetheless, when you see a move like this, going from, what is this, 6 or 7 zeros, all the way up to 4 zeros, gaining 100 or 1,000x in the project. I mean, those are wild gains there. And it's going to be remembered, but it may have died out already. Current market cap, 79 million, so it's still a very large coin, but it is down about 90% from where it was before. So, yeah, maybe a little less than 90 if there's still 4 zeros there. But I haven't seen as much as I used to about Cult DAO there. Simon, you shop in Clay's neighborhood? Yeah, Simon's going to be my neighbor. Down in an early round. Shiba's going down, swinging. Yeah, dude, Shiba's throwing some purple lines on the board right now. It does look like people may be starting to anticipate the interest rate decision here, as the NASDAQ is starting to fall back down a little bit, and Shiba Inu coin is starting to fall back down a little bit here. I imagine Bitcoin's starting to curl over. Yes, Bitcoin's starting to curl over. Oh, man. Somebody, really quick, go look at the QQQ 300 call options. Did they touch $1? I had a buy limit order on at $1 per contract, or $1 per share on the contracts. I don't know if it would have touched here at 303.26 or not. If it did, they've got to be doing pretty well. But somebody go look at 300 strikes, today's expiration on the QQQ, and let me know if it hit, because I'm not going to be able to see it since I'm not logged in here. But let's see what we got going on. Don't join any cult, even if it's a token. Yeah, don't join any cult, guys, for real. What's up, Clay, bro? Speculation on what the pounce may be. Dude, my speculation is probably going to make you mad. My speculation is that Adam Aaron's going to pay his girlfriend Nicole Kidman to do another commercial or something. Public service announcement. My Discord is tied to my PC gaming account, so my name is Unhung Hero. Well, the question is, okay, he is in here. Nice. Unhung Hero. Glad to have you in the chat with us. Unhung Hero is on the Discord. Very nice, man. Devil's Advocate. Good deal. Still waiting on Champion, the partnership with Champion. Yeah, on Shiba Inu coin. Hit a log on Google for $2. Gonna sit back and watch the rest of the day. Nice, man. JJ, very good. Oh, wakey? Wakey? Oh, wakey. Cole Kimmin is married to Keith Urban. Well, dude, man, Adam Aaron wants girlfriend, right? Get 99 problems and Sam ain't one. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. AMC Trappers lunch is over. Getting back to the workday. So we're going to get off here for now. We're going to do some shout outs. Thank you to everybody who already did join the Discord. Really appreciate all you guys. There's 121 people in here. It's a free Discord. If you want to just hang out and chat, we'll be setting it up and getting everything going there. Join early. Like if we do get some like first mover access or anything like that, you want to join the Discord now so that just in case that we do any private channels or stuff like that, you guys can have first access and maybe get in before we make them private and stuff. So check that out. Click the Discord button there. Join it if you guys want to hang out with each other and talk on there. All that good stuff. We'll be figuring out what we're doing there. It is free if you guys were wondering about that though. Let's do these shoutouts, and we'll be back this afternoon. And Jerome Powell will be speaking at 2:30. So if you want to watch that on here, you can absolutely watch that on here. AMC Trapper. Peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Outdoor Smile, man. See you later. Nelson Channel, enjoy your afternoon. Bobby, man, thank you very much today. Enjoy your day. Dan, thank you very much for the super chat earlier. Really appreciate you, dude. If you're still in here. Shredda, it's 1 o'clock. Yes, it is. Wanna, if you're listening right now. Oh, my gosh. Mr. Simon, enjoy your afternoon. Dark Matter, Shredda, Bobby, J Bones, Frodo, see you later, man. All better, yes, you guys see you all in the Discord. Heck yeah. Tim E, man, see ya. Remy, Paul, John J, Paul, Mudslinger, Pudgy, Diddy Kane, Mr. Simon, Tech, Shredda, Remy, Roulette Wheel, 91. Like, ooh, guys, go to 100, go to 100, go to 100. Come on. JJ, man, peace out. See you later. M Doug, see you later. John J, DJ, see ya. Emma D, sweet off to watch Tom Crown cover the FOMC. Good deal, Emma D. See you later. Lucky's thoughts. Enjoy your afternoon. You guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.